Hi, it's Mary Bartos from Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and I am in a newly painted, somewhat remodeled unit in Tropicana. Now, this is the penthouse here in the Tropicana, and there are 5 amazing reasons why you would want to buy this unit. Well, the number 1 reason is you have 360 degrees of balcony. Now, let me tell you, in that 360 degrees of balcony, you have views of the water, you have views of the city at night, you have sunrise and sunsets. And the number 2 reason to buy this unit is, need I say more? 3,200 square feet of indoor living in this amazing condo. Now, there are many homes here in Southwest Florida that aren't even 3,200 square feet, and this condo has that in just indoor living. I don't know what you'd want more with this great 3-bedroom and a den, living room, dining room, and amazing views. And the number 3 reason why you'd want to buy this amazing condo, well, check this out. In between those 2 buildings, the high-rise there and the one with the green top, that's your beach access. Now, it's 2/10 of a mile, and you have all the amazing location that you would want in this building, along with fabulous views. Reason number 4, a 2-car enclosed garage. Now, to get this kind of a view with a condo here on Marco Island with a 2-car garage, whoa. And the 5th, and maybe not final reason, but only in the top 5 that we're going to talk about today, is you're in that lock and leave condo lifestyle. Now, not only do you have lock and leave, but you have low fees in this building. Don't know about you, but to have all of this at the incredible price it is, call or text me to find out, and you will love condo living here in Marco Island. Look forward to seeing you here in paradise, checking out this condo.